In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to earn free PayPal money simply by opening an email, which is one of the simplest ways to earn money online. For most of us, receiving tens of thousands of dollars in our PayPal account is a daily fantasy. But on this platform, people from all around the world can cash out their actual PayPal earnings. This is, without a doubt, effective. You don't need any prior knowledge or financial investment, and you don't even need a credit card to do this. All you need is an internet-connected smartphone or computer to get started. You can do so virtually from any location on the planet. I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video, and you can start earning hundreds of dollars every day. Now, before I explain how you can actually accomplish this, please leave a comment below, as I am from this country. That way, I'll be able to tell you exactly where you're from, and as a result, I'll be able to ensure that every video I release in the future is intended for you. So, tell us about your country in the comment section below. Also, don't forget that I'll be providing exclusive additional advice that'll help you earn double or even triple what others are earning. As a result, make sure to stick around and watch the video to the very end. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so do you have an email account, or do you check your email on a regular basis? I'm referring to checking your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, AOL Mail, and other similar services. If yes, you're in luck, because what I'm about to teach you will allow you to earn anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 simply by opening and reading emails. There are no difficult steps, no prerequisites for experience, and no hoops to jump through. Just click open, read the emails, and you'll earn money. Simple as that. The more emails you read, the more money you'll earn. If you stay with me until the end of this video, I'll show you a few amazing additional strategies that'll help you make 3 times more money compared to other people. Now, these are some of the website's features. First and foremost, receive daily paid emails delivered straight to your mailbox. Next is quick payment processing within just 24 hours. They also offer a low $15 payout limit, which means you can start cashing out your earnings and once you hit the minimum threshold of $15. Joining is completely free, and if you activate your account, you'll receive a free $3 sign-up bonus. Taking daily paid surveys could help you make some more cash. Now, for step number 1, I'd like you to go to this website, paidtoreademail.com. Okay, I'd like to show you how to create a free account and receive the $3 sign-up bonus. So, you must first select your gender, and then enter your first name, email address, and a password before clicking the sign-up button. After doing so, you'll be taken to this page where you'll see "Thank you, your account has been activated." So your paid-to-read email account is now active and has been credited with the $3 sign-up bonus. So, as you can see, this is a completely new account. If you scroll down below, you can see right here free ways to be rewarded for your online activities. Take, for example, cash surveys, where you can earn 50 cents to $1 every survey. Now, all you have to do is click on this button and you'll be taken to this page. As you can see here in cash surveys, each completed survey can reward you with 49 cents to $1.20. There are 2 main categories as a result of this. Number 1, your surveys, which you have unlimited access to. The second category, all of these surveys which have a maximum of only 1 survey. Now, in this video, we're not going to spend too much time on that because it is extremely simple. So they'll deposit the money straight to your account once you've finished the surveys. As promised, here's a bonus tip to help maximize your earnings on this website. Now, when you log in to your account every day, make sure you complete all of the surveys, which are limited surveys. By doing so, you can earn up to $5 easily. After that, you'll be able to access an unlimited number of surveys that pay you up to $5 per survey. The best part is that you may conduct surveys while on the go by just using your phone and earn up to $1 for each survey you finish. You can move on to cash offers if you're done with all the cash surveys. So all you have to do is click on this button and you'll be taken to this page. Here you can earn 60 cents for your surveys, 50 cents for opinion surveys, and 50 cents for Dynata surveys under cash offers. This is an additional source of income that you can generate using this website. So with that done, let's move on to the final income stream, which is the most exciting portion of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So the final stream of income is simply opening emails. So you only need to open the email, read it, and then click on the link or image, which will then take you to a random site as you can see here. Sometimes they'll give you instructions on what to do while you're on the site, but most of the time, you don't have to do anything. So just stay on the site for at least 30 seconds. Staying for 30 seconds verifies that you're a human and not a robot. Basically, you could just browse the site by scrolling up and down. The best part is that you can do this on your phone or your computer. And after 30 seconds, you'll receive your money and it'll be credited straight to your account. So right now, I'm gonna open another email sent by the website and I'm gonna click on the link to go to a random site. I don't have to care about the actual content of the email, I'll just have to open it and then click on the link to go to some random site. I don't actually have to do anything as you can see. I'll only be here for 30 seconds, after which I'll be able to earn money which will then be deposited straight into my account. You can see that yourself by going back to your dashboard. Under the quick stats, you can see your total cash. One thing to keep in mind though is that you may occasionally receive emails that pay you decent money. One very crucial thing to remember is that when you go to a random site, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and back up to the top. That's all you have to do, and then wait till the 30 seconds are up, and the coolest part is that they do have a special referral program. As you can see, when you select more and click on refer friends, you'll be taken to this page. So you can earn cash for referring your friends. You'll be credited 15% of your referrals earnings. So simply share this website with your family and friends and you'll receive 15% of their total earnings, which are purely passive income. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.